Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. Today I'm going to be making a DIY lotion for you. And if you want buttery soft skin, I mean like silky baby soft, I am going to be teaching you how to do it today. One thing that my husband always says is that my skin is so soft, and he comments on it all the time. So I said, well, maybe I got something here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I do. I'm using Jergens, and this is the Ultra Healing Lotion, and I'm going to put a half a cup in. Then you want to use half a cup of any scented lotion that you like. I prefer Bath and Body because it's a decent consistency, and I love the selection of smells and fragrances. So I use Hello Sunshine. This smells so good, but pick your favorite and add a half a cup to your lotion. Now take 3/4 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and add to the mixture. Now you're going to take 1.5 teaspoons of petroleum jelly. Get that in there. All right, you go ahead and you mix that up. You can use a blender if you want to, but the whisk is good for me. Just a small little whisk, and whisk it up really good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Now, if you want, you can add things, but this is wonderful right here. This is the main mixture, but some people like to add things like if you have sweet almond oil, you can put a couple of drops of that in there, or vitamin E. If you want to use some pure essential oils, you don't want to use anything that goes against the smell of the Bath and Body Works though. So like for this, I could put in a couple of drops of pure lemon oil, and because I love lemon, love lemon. You can get that from, oh goodness, Michael's, I believe. Different, wholesale food clubs, but this is good enough right here. It's scented, and it's going to make your skin so soft. So just whisk it up really good, then add it to a jar that you have cleaned. I washed this out with regular dish detergent, and then I put alcohol. Just put alcohol on a little napkin and wiped it out really good so that it's good and clean. And just go ahead and add it to your jar. And there you go. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna put a little bit on. Oh, it feels soft already. Yes, it does. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, if you try it, please let me know. I'm sure you'll love it. All right, have a great day. I'll see you next time right back here on Tracy's Place.